Pie.
And I'm RC.
Welcome to Bell Buckle, Tennessee.
Hey, we wanted to let y'all know that the RC Moon Pie Festival and the fireworks celebration at the Jenny Hunt Park is canceled this year for COVID.
Well, it's not canceled for COVID. The only thing we don't welcome in this town is Rona. The Bell Buckle Chamber of Commerce and the Bell Buckle Park Board have decided to err on the side of safety this year. But although the festival is canceled, the festivities are not.
Bell Buckle is open for business.
And always festive and fun. In fact, let's shop.
And eat.
Ooh, okay, y'all, come. Bell Buckle shops and eateries are going an extra mile with extra measures to help keep you safe.
Masks and gloves are optional.
Gloves are never optional.
Now here we are at the world famous Bell Buckle Cafe.
The cafe is now open for dine-in and carry-out.
Hi, this is Hillary from the Bell Buckle Cafe. We'd love to have your business. As you can see, our kitchen is booming over here. We've got a big order going out. Our dine-in is open, and we would love to have your business. We're open 6 days a week, and you can follow us on Facebook.
That was delicious. I'm telling you, I am so full. Hey, Hillary, that was wonderful. So, but do you have our to-go order ready?
It's ready.
Good. How much was our bill?
We'll talk about that later.
Okay. Let's shop. Let's shop. Let's shop. Let's shop. Isn't this wonderful?
Hey, check this out.
And we haven't even gone inside yet.
Hi, I'm Maddie Taff with Farm Girls Findery, where we are two awesome gift shops under one roof. Farm Girls Goods specializes in lots of fair trade, things from all around the world, things you want, things you need, everything in between. And then the Findery specializes with local arts, local crafters, and yeah, it's an interesting shop. Two shops, one roof. Come check us out.
I love Miss Jane and Company. Miss Jane, this is fabulous. What's new in the shop?
White queen size bed, white chest of drawers to match, white table and chairs. I have several vendors here. I'm Miss Jane, but I have other vendors that are the company. And we have RC collectibles for all you RC Moon Pie fans. And we have antiques. We're located next to the Marathon gas station across from the strip, across the railroad tracks. Right now our hours are Wednesday through Saturday, 10 till 5. Come and see us.
RC, this is a sign. Dun, 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 dun. RC. RC. RC! I should have known I would find you at Bluebird Ice Cream Parlor. A great place to dine and shop.
Oh my, it's so good.
What's the special today, Mama Phillips?
Peach, apple, cherry, fried pies.
Hey, come on, let's shop and work off what we put on at Bluebird.
Hey, worry about yourself. I'm still in the same can. You're a double-decker now, Double D.
I love Billy Phillips General Store. Look, he sells me.
You mean antiques?
No, moon pies. You know, I bet they're not as fresh as me.
Oh, I bet they are.
Oh, hi, Billy.
Are your RCs as cool as me?
what's new? Or shall I say old, Billy, since you have antiques?
Welcome to Phillips General Store Antiques. We are Bell Buckle's original antique store. We opened here in 1971. We're celebrating our 49th, going on our 50th year in our little town here. We are open for business 7 days a week, Monday through Saturday from 10 until 4, and on Sunday from 12 until 4. We specialize in antiques and collectibles and vintage. Right now we have a beautiful collection of antique blue calico from the mid 1800s to the late 1800s. We have pickers that buy for us all across the country, and we find things daily and bring in wonderful new treasures to add to your home. So welcome to our little town of Bell Buckle. Come see us.
Ooh, RC, wouldn't this be great if I put it in a bowl in my... RC? RC! Sugar levels must have plummeted because here we are at the Simply Sweet Bakery in Simplicity in Bell Buckle.
This is so good.
Such a great place for sweets and uniques. In fact, I got these really neat handmade earrings here. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your store?
Welcome to Simplicity in Bell Buckle. We have a lot of different kinds of items for you. We've got vintage, we've got new, we've got handmade, we've got clothing. Anything your heart desires, we have it. This is one of our new vendors, Sarah. She makes wonderful items, paper doll handmade. If you haven't seen her, everything is made out of books and paper. We've got bees, strawberries, crosses, wreaths, mushrooms. Who makes mushrooms out of paper? And then we have a beautiful booth full of all kinds of garden decor. We have floral, we have old bird cages, vintage hutch, anything your heart desires. We have Renee's Crafts with all of her wonderful signs. Everybody loves signs. Stand-up welcome signs that go by your door, anything for your home, you have it. We have wonderful handmade copper jewelry, beaded jewelry, anything you would like that's hammered and handmade by Cornbread Bottom Studios.
I just love shopping at Doodlebug. Wow, RC, would this look good in my parlor? RC? RC! There you are. Oh, is that a pizza from 82 Market?
You bet it is.
Oh, I love those.
Here.
Oh, thanks. Market and Diner is a great place for all of your convenience needs.
And a great place to eat, too.
There are so many great places to shop in Bell Buckle. We even have a mall. Livery Stable Antique Mall. Hilltop Antiques. Serendipity Mercantile.
The Wellness Emporium in Bell Buckle. Two Sisters Mercantile.
Everybody's Antiques and Southern Charm. Wow, what a day. Now it's time to relax in my favorite hangout in Bell Buckle, the Bell Buckle Coffee Shop and Book Swap. Hey, car, please.
I want everything on the menu and dessert too.
Do you want half calf, full calf, or whole calf?
Half calf.
All right.
Hey, RC, how many desserts are you having today?
So good.
This is so good.
Bell Buckle, Tennessee is kinda like dessert. Sometimes sweet, always satisfying, and you'll want to come back for more.